Next, this is a set based on calculations, not much to worry about. So there are some constituencies in which elections are held. So there is a scatter plot. So this is a scatter plot here, and some data points are given to us. So I've just put down these data points in a table, and we have a voting percentage, total number of votes cast by total number of voters. Now we don't have the total number of voters, neither do we have the total number of votes cast. We have to find it. Okay, so this is the table that I created based on the information that has been presented to us, so that it saves me time instead of writing. Now, the total number of votes that were cast, the total number of votes won by the winning candidate, and the total number of voters in the constituencies are all multiples of 10,000. Okay. The total number of votes won by the winning candidates are in arithmetic progression with the positive common difference in the order. First is, so this is the same order that I've written. So if you're looking at number of votes won, so if this is A plus D, so it's a ascending uh, progression, because they are saying common difference is positive. So clearly it means UP is the least, Rajasthan is the second, Marathon is the third, and so on and so forth. The number of votes won by the winning candidate in Ilaman is 1.8 lakhs. So this is 1.8 lakhs. Now if this is 1.8 lakhs, remember this is the highest point in your AP, because this is the number of votes won, which means Gandhipur can be 1.7 lakhs, 1.6 lakhs, 1.5 lakhs, because the difference always is a multiple of 10,000, right? Because they are all multiples of 10,000s, or 1.4 and so on and so forth. But you'll notice that 1.4 is not possible, because if it is 1.4, then the common difference is 40, which means by the time you reach UP, you'll be getting negative numbers. So you can have only three possibilities. If this is 1.8, this is fixed. Then Gandhipur has three possibilities: 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. Now we'll have to figure out which of these three is possible. How do we figure that out? Now, for that we have to use the information given to us in the table. Each candidate for all the constituencies got a distinct multiple of 10,000 votes. So again, everything is a multiple of 10,000. That's the thing about the question. So here, if Gandhipur person got X, we don't know what is X. One of these three is X. Then percentage of votes won by the winning candidate out of the total number of votes that were cast. So if he got X, Gandhipur person got X, then this X is 64% of votes cast, which means votes cast should be X by 0.64. So what are the three possibilities for votes cast? It is 1.5 lakhs, 1,50,000 by 0.64. It can also be 1,60,000 by 0.64, or it could be 1.7 lakhs, that is 1,70,000 by 0.64. So let's see what are these three clear values. So 1.5, that is 1,50,000 divided by 0.64. So this will give you 234,375. Clearly this is not possible. Why? Because all these votes cast are also a multiple of 10,000. So this is not a multiple of 10,000, so 1.5 is not possible. Similarly, if you look at 1,70,000 divided by 0.64, you will see that this value is 265,625, which is not possible. So you will only see this is the possibility, and actually if you divide this 1,60,000 by 0.64, you will see that this is 2.5 lakhs, which is a multiple of 10,000. Hence, you will start writing what is happening. So you will say this is 1.8 lakhs, this is 1.6 lakhs. So the common difference is 20,000. So this is 1.4 lakhs, 1.2 lakhs, 1 lakh, and 0.8. So that is 80,000. 0.8, 80,000. So if I write this, if I call this as the votes cast, votes cast will be this number divided by 40%. So 0.8 by 0.4. So votes cast will be 2 lakhs. 1 by 0.25. So this will be 4 lakhs. 1.2 by 50%, 0.5. So this will be 2.4 lakhs. 1.4 by again 50%. So 1.4 by 0.5, that is 2.8 lakhs. 1.6 by 6.64, we just did that, by 0.64. This is 2.5 lakhs. And 1.8 by 0.45, 0.45 will be 4 lakhs. So this is the number of votes cast. Now, total voters. So this again, so this 32% says the percentage what he got. So the winner in UP, got 32% of the total number of voters. So 0.8 is 0.32 of total voters. So total voters will be 0.8 by 0.32. So that's what you need to do. So this column divided by these percentages will give you the total voter count. So once again, if we quickly do that, 0.8 divided by 0.32. So this will be 2.5 lakhs. So 2.5 lakhs voters are there. 2 lakh voters voted and the winner got 0.8. That's the meaning. 0.8 means 80,000. Similarly, 1 divided by 0.2. So 5 lakh voters. 1.2 divided by 0.2. So this is 6. 1.4 divided by 0.4. 1.4 divided by 0.4 should be 3.5. 1.6, so this should be 3.2. And 1.8 divided by 0.3. 1.8 divided by 0.3 should be 6. These are the counts. So this is exactly what we got. This is a complete information. Nothing is uncertain now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the questions. Which constituency had the highest voting percentage? So voting percentage they defined as votes cast by total votes. So we have to do for the first one UP, it is 2 by 2.5. So 2 by 2.5 is a percentage. So 2 divided by 2.5 is 80%. Similarly for Rajasthan, it is 4 by 5, which is again 80%. For M, it is 2.4 by 6. 2.4 by 6, which is 40%. Then the next one is 2.8. So the next one is Ranthambore. Ranthambore is 2.8 by 35. So 7 goes 5 times 4 by 5, which is again 80%. Then we have Gandhipur is 2.5 by 3.2. So Gandhipur is 2.5 by 3.2. So 25 by 32 is 78.125. And last one is 4 by 6. I is 4 by 6, which is 2 by 3, which is 66.66. So the highest is for 3. All of them are 80. So UP, RAG, Rajasthan and Ranthambore. All 3 of them. You can see that all 3 is the correct answer. This is actually an easy question. Should have been attempted in the mock by everyone. Which constituency had the maximum number of votes cast? So votes cast, the highest we can clearly see. Votes cast highest is for 2, Rajasthan and Ilaman. So both Rajasthan and Ilaman, it is the correct answer option A and B. So you can see both of them are there. So that's your answer. What is the minimum possible number of candidates contesting from Rajasthan? That's interesting. So let's look at what is happening in Rajasthan. Now if you look at Rajasthan, winner got 1 and 4 lakh votes are cast. So if I say 1 lakh vote is got by the winner, let us say 90,000 votes, the next least I'll take, because I want the minimum number of people. So I'll take maximum for the next possibility. So I'll take 90,000, 90,000, 90,000 for the next 3 people. Still my total 4 lakhs are not done. Remaining will be for the 5th person. So I need a total of 5 people. So the question says, what is the minimum possible number of candidates contesting from Rajasthan? It is 5. Because nobody can cross or even touch 1 lakh because there is a clear winner at 1 lakh. What is the maximum possible number of votes received by the candidate who got the second highest number of votes from Marathan? So look at Marathan, subtract 10,000 from there. That should be the highest possibility. So Marathan, it's very simple. Marathan is 2.4 and sorry 1.2. 1.2 is the winner. So the next highest possibility is 1.1. Please make sure that the total is 2.3, which is less than 2.4. So it could be a trap sometimes. Had marathon been 1.5, had it been 1.5, blindly putting 1.4 will be wrong because those many votes are not there. Only 2.4 are total. So then the answer would have been 90,000. But thankfully, this does not have a trap. It's a simple question. So in this case, 1.2 and 1.1 is possible. Hence, it is 1,10,000. So that's your answer, 1,10,000.